Nichole.
And today we're demonstrating our cell. And your job is to figure out what cell it is.
Aubryelle?
Yeah.
What cell is it?
Well, I'm not really sure yet, but with your help and using your brains, we can figure out what cell it is. So
yeah, help us, please.
We're starting off with a round bowl full of red jello. The round bowl represents the shape of our cell, and the red jello represents the cytoplasm.
So, Aubryelle, what is the cytoplasm?
Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material outside the cell nucleus in which organelles are located.
So you mean the cytoplasm is the only thing that keeps all of our cell organelles in place?
Yeah.
Cool, that sounds great. So what cell parts are in this specific jello cell?
Well, to start it out, the most important part of the cell is the nucleus that controls many functions by controlling protein synthesis and DNA in the chromosomes. And it is also surrounded by the nuclear membrane. The banana right here, this is our nucleus, represents our nucleus. Then there's the cell membrane, which is the outer part. This part going right here is the cell membrane. It's the outer part of our jello. The cell membrane is the thin layer of protein and fat that surrounds the cell. The cell membrane is semi-colorable, allowing substances to pass into the cell and blocking others.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, I see it's kind of hard being a cell. So Nicole, did you know that there are 6 lisosomes inside the jelly-like cell?
No, I didn't. But what are lisosomes?
A lysosome, also called cell vessels, is the round organelle surrounded by the membrane and containing digestive enzymes. This is where the organelle digests the cell nutrients take place.
Wow, I guess I really need those lysosomes.
Yeah, you can't live without them.
Ooh! Where's the blue thingies?
Those blue thingies, aka blue Fruit Loops, are the vacuoles. The vacuoles are flood-filled membranes surrounded cavities inside the cell. The vacuole fills with fluid being digested and waste material that is on its way out of the cell.
Okay, that's very interesting. So what is the banana peel and the broken pretzel supposed to be?
Well, the banana peel represents our smooth ER, and the broken pretzel represents our rough ER, which is located here and right here. The rough ER, aka rough endoplasmic reticulum, is a vast system of interconnected membranes unfold conjugated snacks that are located in cell cytoplasm. Same thing as smooth ER, except the rough ER is covered with ribosomes that give its rough appearance and rough ER membrane, and transfers materials to the cell and produces proteins and snacks in concern, which are sent to the googly body or insert in the cell membrane.
So if that's the rough ER, then the smooth ER is a fast system too.
The smooth ER, aka smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is the smooth ER transfers material through the cell. It contains produces digestive lipids, which is fats, and membrane proteins. Smooth ER buds off from rough ER, moving newly and make proteins and lipids to the Golgi body, limestone, and membranes. That's right, Nicole.
So, what is a Golgi body? I mean, is it like some kind of dance or something? Oh, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. Go Golgi,
Nicole!
go Golgi.
Nicole!
What?
A Golgi body is not a dance. Like, it wouldn't even sound right having a dance out called Golgi body. That sounds kind of weird. A Golgi body, which is these little green pieces right here, a Golgi body is also known as Golgi complex. It's flattened layers that like organelle that looks just like a stack of pancakes. It is
Yummy.
It is located near the nucleus. It produces the cell membrane that surrounds the lysosome. The Golgi body packages proteins and carbonates into the cell membrane vascles for export from out the cell. So Nicole, now do you get it?
To the left, to the left.
Nicole, stop! You still haven't even found out what type of jello-like substance material this cell is.
Alright, I'll stop dancing. Anyway,
back to business.
What is that thing on the top of the nucleus right there? I'm going to take a guess. Is that the nucleolus?
That's right, Nicole. The nucleolus is an organelle within the nucleus where the ribosome RNA is produced. Some cells have more than one nucleus.
So where would the nuclear membrane be? My science teacher, Miss Wiggins, told me that the nuclear membrane is the membrane that surrounds the nucleus in order to protect it.
She's right. The nuclear membrane is surrounded by the nucleus. That would be this little piece right here going around our banana, which is the nucleus. But the banana is also known as the nucleus. Mike told you, Mike told you, Mike told you, yeah, Mike told you. What?
If I can't dance, then you cannot sing your little song. And what? Oh my God! What the heck is a Trojan?
Well,
Or whatever you want to call it.
well, this right here will be our mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is a spherical rod-shaped organelle with double membrane. Mitochondrion converts the energy stored to glucose into APT, known as adenosine triphosphates for the cell.
Oh, I didn't know cells had grids called ribosomes. And what the heck is a centrome supposed to be? And can we eat this now?
Oh Lord, Nicole. I wouldn't want to eat that if I were you.
Why? It's so delicious.
It's our secret gel cell. You cannot eat it. And ribosomes aren't ribs. Ribosomes are small organelles composed of RNA-rich chloroplasm, genetic sites that proteins for synthesis. And then the cytosol, also known as the mitral tube organized system, a small body located near the nucleus. It has a dense center and rotatory tubes. The centrosome is where the microtubes are made. During the cell division, mitosis. The cytosome divides into two parts, moved up one opposite side, dividing the cell.
Oh, I get it now. Do you guys get it? Do you guys know what this cell is?
Well, can you tell us now, please? Help us, please. We really need to figure out what the heck is that.